Alright guys, let's go ride this 2004 Honda Shadow. Let's see how comfortable this thing is. Oh, I can already feel the comfort. The seat is just so much more comfortable than the R1 for sure. And my Indian Scout. Super nice. I sit so much more comfortable on this. The gears, the brakes, everything. We're gonna follow the R1 because he knows the way around. I'm not from here. This thing is massive though, like just feels so big. We'll let him roll first. He's got an Insta360 on the back there. I gotta get one for my Indian Scout once I get back. Oh, that thing sounds so good. I hope you guys get a good view of this. This thing is so comfortable and super easy to ride. The position here is so comfortable too. I thought my Indian Scout was comfortable, but I would say this is way more comfortable, because on the Indian Scout I sit like up here, my handlebars are high. This isn't bad. This pops a lot. I don't know if you guys can hear the pops on the camera. Oh yeah. That thing is super uncomfortable though. You sit up so forward, like you're bent down so much. But it's super fun to ride. Makes me want to get one so bad. We're gonna take a right. I think he's getting uncomfortable on there already. Thing looks sick though, it's super nice. It sounds really good. Oh, so nice. Be taking a left over there. This thing just pops. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but every rev it just pops. Lots of gravel here. Gotta be super careful. Oh no, I think it's just that patch over there, back there. thought we were turning. We're gonna be turning right up ahead. But yeah, I really like this. I don't mind riding one of these. You're super comfortable, super easy to ride. It's very light too. That bike is super light for 1,000cc. Like, he used to have a Hayabusa that he just recently sold, and he said that bike was super heavy. This one is super light. Like, I went on it, you can literally just throw this bike around. It's super light. For 1,000cc, I thought it'd be a lot more heavier and harder to ride. I found it super easy to ride. The only crotch rocket I've ridden was my Gixxer 600, and I found that bike fast. And I was super scared riding this one. I thought it would be like super heavy and super hard to handle. But I say this is like the easiest bike to handle. Who's she pointing at? Well, I guess he's one of the workers. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, it's getting super hot. Let's go. I was in Edmonton for the week. I did a little Banff trip yesterday. I made some footage in Banff, but I'm gonna go back once I get back to Winnipeg. I'm gonna edit the footage and see how I like it, and maybe I'll upload that on YouTube for you guys too. I got a couple of things. I got a vlog on that one too. I filmed on the Yamaha R1. I'm filming on this one, the Honda Shadow, and then I got the Banff vlog that I recorded. So I'm gonna try and get those to you guys as soon as possible. The Honda Shadow and the R1 are gonna be for sure. The Banff one, I'm still 50-50. I haven't really watched any of the footage or anything. So once I watch the footage and yeah, if it looks good and if I'm comfortable with posting it, I will post it for you guys. Let's see what he wants to do. I'm gonna make a quick stop here. Let me put this thing in neutral. Put the stand down. Putting the stand down thing on this thing is super easy. On that one, I couldn't even find it. Okay, I'll start recording again soon. Let's see what we're doing here. Thing looks sick. He just wanted to take a quick break. So we're gonna head back home now. It was a nice ride. I really like the Yamaha. Okay, whenever you're ready. These houses are beautiful. Look at this one. My dream house is like, I want a house. Dream house would be like something with 4 or 5 garages. This is a nice little Corvette. This thing isn't fast, but it's nice. I think it's a 750cc. I guess we're turning right, or no, left. Actually, never mind, we're going straight. That thing is insanely fast. This thing isn't bad. I can't figure out how to turn off the turn signals. It's so complicated. I think there's a problem with this little button. Pops. I really hope the angle of this is all like real perfect, because I didn't really adjust it. This is still set to my Indian Scout, so I just hooked it up onto my helmet and then started filming. So I hope it's good. I like riding here in Edmonton because the roads are super wide and lots of highways. Oh, is that a little fox? Yeah. Alright, we're going to be turning right, he said. We'll just follow him, we'll stay behind him. I just love the pops on this thing. This thing has 31,000 kilometers on it. These Hondas last forever. Edmonton has a lot of potholes too. It's just like Winnipeg. It's pretty much exactly like Winnipeg. I would just say it's a little bigger, wider roads. Alright. I forgot to turn off the signal again. I'm so used to my Indian Scout, because on the Indian Scout it's automatic. When you turn, it turns off. On this one and the Yamaha, you have to physically turn it off. Thing looks so good. I love the pops on this thing. Insane. Oh, that's a Suzuki Boulevard. See, this bike's so much more comfortable. Feet flat on the ground, both sides. Tippy toes. Are so nice here. There are a lot of potholes here and there, but like these main roads are super clean. Oh, we're turning here. Something's wobbling. I think it's the hook on my helmet. It's like with the wind, it's tapping on my helmet, making a ticking noise. Hopefully the mic doesn't catch that. That's a nice Corvette. This is nice. We're turning here. Two more bikers that are joining us, I guess. That's a nice bike. That's also a Honda. I don't know which one that is, but looks like a nice Nice bike for a long road trip. Seems very comfortable. He's got the little backrest on there too for his back. I'm gonna stay behind him now. I think we're almost home, so don't want to miss the turn. That's a nice plate, SMD 69. Clutch seems to be super loose on this. I don't know if it's just me not used to it, but it seems super loose. Almost home now. I think we're turning right here. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Different bike, something new. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. The next video is probably going to be on the Indian Scout Bobber. Thank you for watching, guys.